Hi all, hope you have completed the functions part 1 and written the notes also. So we are continuing with the functions. Just a quick recap, we learned what are functions, what are the different function types, and we learned what is the structure of a function and structure of a Python program with the function, and also how the execution flow also we have learned. So this is an example of a full-fledged program to add two numbers through a function. You can see the function name is calcsum and there is a return value also. In the function body you can see the value is some of the values are calculated with the arguments x and y. So the main execution starts with the statement 1 where first number is entered, number 2 the second number, and you can see sum is equal to calc sum where the function call is being done. It is known as function call where the execution flow goes to the function def, function calc sum. So the execution of the statement small letter I is done, that is s is equal to x plus y is done, and the value of s is returned, and that return value is assigned to the variable sum, and then the value is executed. So this user defined functions can be of four types, that is functions with no arguments and no return, functions with arguments but no return value, functions with arguments and return value, function with no argument but return value. We can see one by one. See the functions with no argument and no return. See the example, there is a welcome function. The name of the function is welcome, and you can see within brackets nothing is written. It means that there is no parameters inside that function. What is being printed or what is inside it is the function body where it have only some print statements. And you can see the next line which is welcome, which is a function call. It will invoke the function welcome to perform the action. This type of function is also known as void function, which is having no argument and no return values, which means that nothing is being passed to the function as well as nothing is returned from the function also. So return keyword is not used in this function. Now coming to another type, which is functions with parameters but no return value. Here you can see functions are taking some value, and also while you are calling the function table, a parameter is being passed. The values are passed for the parameter at the time of function call, and it is copied to the function name, it is copied to the variable num, and that num is used for the operation of that function. There you can see it takes the value but nothing is returned from that function. Only that arguments are taken for doing some action inside the function. Now function with parameters but no return value. Can see that? This is an example. Here you can see an average function which takes 4 parameters, and it finds the average and it just prints the value of that average calculated. And in the main function actually 4 numbers are getting inputted from the user, and those 4 values are being passed through the function called average. And when the function call is done, these n1, n2, n3 and n4 are copied to the variables num1, num2, num3 and num4 respectively, and the value average is calculated for all these values, and that will be printed. Nothing is actually returned to the main function. Now function with parameters and return value. We can have return values from function using return keyword, and how the return keywords is used, return values are used in the main function. Either it can store it in any variable, or it can use with print statement, or use in any expression. So we can see how these return values are used in the main functions with the help of these examples. See the first example of cube where c is equal to, see the function call, c is equal to cube of n1, which clearly shows that a value is passed, n1 is passed, which is copied to num, and the cube of the value is calculated in the function, and it returns that value, and the returned value will be cube of the value, and which is copied to the variable c. You can see the variable c there. In the second one, you can see that def cube of num, here also the cube operation is same. You can see print cube of number is comma cube of n1, which shows that whatever is written will be printed as part of the print statement. Is that clear? That is, whatever is returned by the cube function will be printed as a part of the print function. So the output will be a cube of the number is the value of that function returned. And coming to the third one, you can see that the function call is a part of an expression n1. n1 plus cube of n1, which means that function call is done and whatever is returned, that the cube value of n1 will be added to n1 and that value is assigned to val. In the fourth example, you can see that the calculation done inside the function is assigned to a value c, and that c value is actually returned, and that will be assigned to the variable value, and value is printed. So these are the four different types of returns where the return value can be used. It can be either used with any print function, or it can be used as any, the value can be assigned to any other variables, or it can be used as a part of expression, etc. So this is an example of a function with again return. You can see that it's a function for, it's a program for finding out the area of the circle. And you can see one important point is that even if a return statement is in between a function code, the function flow control or the execution control will stop there and it comes back to the main function where it is being called. So this is an example for any of a function with no returning value. See the first function. First example, this type of functions are known as void functions. Non-returning functions are also known as void functions. It may or may not contain a return. So see an example. Define welcome, print welcome to function. So if you are printing, calling the function welcome, so it will just print the value print. But there in the right side, it is actually returning a string. And in that case, just welcome will not print the values because it is returning but it is not printing it. So you can see the difference. It is, some functions have the return values, other one doesn't have a return value. If it is not having a return value, it is known as a void functions. Thank you.